Good morning, everyone. This is Sajin with you on the Dock Web series. Okay, so today I'll be explaining on three major features or workflows that we have brought into the solution. As here, these are the tiles that is present on the home page of Dock Intranet Portal, or let's call it as quick buttons, right? So these tiles, we have different features that has been enabled for the users to quickly access to some of the workflows that we've created in the solution. So I'll be explaining today on expense reports, travel request, and time off request. Now the expense report falls under the finance module, and the travel request and the time off request falls under the HR module. So what we've done is we've tried to bring in a kind of a finance related feature where you can track your expenses if you've gone for some meetings or gone for a business tour. So this is one small feature that we have brought into the solution. You can submit this expense report to the finance team and they can review it, and they can send you a confirmation on acceptance. Same thing goes for the travel and the time of request, where again, you submit a request for the travel related queries and your particular department, your HR department, gets back to you on that. Same as you apply for a leave or a PTO request, it goes to you submit your leave request to the HR, and then you get a notification on your Dock application or by an email stating that if it's been approved or disapproved. So yeah, lots of talking. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So let's go to the first one, that's expense reports. Okay, so I have the form. So it's basically a form where I'll be able to put in all the information. So, okay, the user right now is Alex Darrow. Okay, so as soon as this form loads and you get all these details auto-populated, it's based on the user. So we have your name, title, the department, and the email address. So all these details are auto-populated in the expense report. So I just have to go and probably put in the other information like the report date, right? So the report date is today. Let's say I've tracked the expense for today. It's on 12. And now I need to type the manager information. So basically the expense report goes to the manager. Either you can send it to the finance team or you can send it to your boss. So this is a kind of workflow that we've created. So I'm just going to type the name of my manager. I just have to type the name, right? So as simple as that. So, and Wallace, that's my manager's name, and I'm gonna, yeah. So I just have to type the email ID here, okay? Okay, so that's the email ID that I've got. And next is obviously enter the details, the expenses. So I'm going to put the date. Let's say I went for a client visit, and then I'm going to put for gas, let's say for like probably 50, right? And then again, I add in more details. Okay, so as more and more items I add in, I get into details, the total complete, so we get, right? Okay, so that's it. So I have the gas and lunch, right? So I'm going to submit it. It goes to my manager or to the concerned person, what I've inputted over here. And yes, I get the notification saying the form has been submitted successfully. So that's about the expense report. So as simple as that, right? So the user receives it and then he gets a copy of it. He can acknowledge on that as well. The next feature that I need to discuss today is travel request. So let's go ahead and see how that works. Okay, so this is the travel request. As I mentioned earlier, name and the email address auto-populates based on what user you're logged into. And let's go ahead and fill some of the details here. Business meeting. let's call it this way. And then the request date. Okay, so the trips, okay, so it's from and to, and the departure date, let's put it the 10th, departure time, probably in the morning. Okay, let's put it round trip. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's from and to, and the departure date. If it's a round trip, mention the returning date. Okay, 17th. Let's put it 18th. So okay, and then I can specify if I need to include a hotel or car rental. So I can go ahead and click on that. And then trip class, I can probably based on the user preferences. So economy. Yeah. So that's great. So, and probably I put some notes. Right. Simple. I need to select on non-smoking hotel number. So I have this kind of option. Stuff like that's it. Just find out the details. Simple as that. Similarly, I have the time of request that's applied for PTO, paid off leave. So again, that's part of the HR module. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply for a leave, right? So this is the leave application. The name, the email, and the location is going to populate it. I'm gonna specify the start date and the end date of my leave. I'm gonna take a good vacation off, probably for 5 days. Let's say 17 to 21. I put my number. It's like 5 days. And I can also specify the email ID. So okay, and then I can select if it's casual, sick, or annual leave. So I'm going to click on casual leave, and then that's it. It goes to the HR, and then it'll get a notification. Okay, the leave has been approved or disapproved. So get this kind of a notification like here, or you get my email. So that's it, folks. That's three major workflows that I wanted to explain on today's Dock web series session. Thank you for watching, and I will be coming up with more and more videos. Stay tuned and have a great day.